This is Price Mixing It Up. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm Pamela. DIY gardening. Real talk topics. Cooking and mixing in the kitchen. Travel and trips. On the water, on the plane, on the road, on the train. Thank you for viewing Price Mixing It Up, our trip to Sparks in Reno, Nevada. We stayed at the Sparks Nugget. It was a wonderful place. Every time we visit the Nugget, we always eat at Rosie's. Been eating here for many years. It's very consistent. The food is good. The service is good too. I have people that always say, why do you go to Sparks so much? It's nice, it's quiet, it's peaceful. It has lots to do for the family. So this is the beach and the marina. There's a toddler park. There's the outlet shopping mall next door. There's plenty of places to go. One of our choice dinners was at Anthony's Chop House at the Nugget. And the dinner was exclusive. It was just voila. It was awesome. The food and service was over the top. I recommend this place. It's in the Nugget at Sparks. It's in the basement. It's called Anthony's Chop House. One of my favorite go-tos is Famous Dave's on Keesky Lane in Reno, Nevada. Check it out. There's everything there. Cane's, everyone loves Cane's, is in Sparks, Nevada. And back to Reno, the University of Nevada, Reno, one of the best colleges. They have a fund that they give money to people out of state so that you can be considered a resident of Reno and get the in-state tuition. Check it out if you have kids going to college. So one thing I do when I'm traveling is looking online and see what's going on in the cities. And this Dragon Lights event was just awesome. It's a walking tour and it's probably about 3 miles long. And it's best to go at sunset. But good thing we went during the day so we could check everything out. It's an Asian Cultural Center. As you can see, it's has all kind of displays. So this was really nice. I highly recommend it. Take your children, take the family. Like I said, it's a walking tour. Here's the dragon at day. So you'll see some day parts. And then we were fortunate to be there at night also. So aluminum braiding is a top priority for the Asian culture. And here's a person that was actually doing the braiding while we were watching. At Honey's Garden was a sitting area next to a spring of water falling. It was absolutely beautiful. Okay, let's check out the lanterns. It's such a beautiful walk. About 3 miles long. Enjoy what you see here and enjoy the music. All right, thank you for checking in with Price Mixing It Up. Can I get a woot woot? get it. Whoop, whoop.